What up guys, in today's video I want to share with you another brand new mining application. This time around we are going to be checking out the application called the Cow Network. A very funny name though. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can get started with this project, how you can mine regularly, how you can activate your account, how you can register an account before you even start mining. I'm going to be showing you all that in this video. So guys, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned here, remember it is completely free. We are going to be mining for free, so if you're interested you need to stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so if you're interested, the link is in the description and you know what to do, because we need to sign up in order for you to start mining. So guys, go to the description, you click on the link there to bring you to this page you are seeing right here. This is where we're going to be signing up, and all you need to do is to put in your email address over here, put in a password, confirm your password, and you're going to see my invitation code over here. That is it blinking on your screen right here right now. You can copy it and put it where you're supposed to put it. All right, now after doing that, you just click on the register button and you are going to have to download the application. So once you click on the register button, it's going to take you to this page over here. Now this is their official website where you can actually download the application. Now before you download, why don't you take your time to go through the page and read to understand more about this project. I've already done that. I read a little bit and I want you guys to also do the same thing. Take your time to read. I always tell you to do this anytime you're getting involved into a new project. You need to read to understand better. So you can also click over here on the menu section here. So you click on the white paper. Let's click on it and quickly check what the white paper is all about. Then you can read. Take your time to read. But what I'm not going to be reading all this with you right here. I'm just going to be showing you straight to the let's go to the distribution. That's the tokenomics and also the roadmap. You know, I'm always more concerned about the roadmap, and the tokenomics is very important, you know. All right, so here we are. Check out the roadmap over here. So it was launched in December 2023, and we are currently in 2024, so the first quarter of 2024. So we should be expecting the launching, I mean the app was launched, the mining app was launched in December, but we should be expecting this token that we're going to be mining here should be listing in August. So take your time to check out the roadmap. You can see it over here in August 2024. Over here, yeah, you can see it here. So you have to take your time to read. That's why I said to read and understand. You can go ahead and download now the application after reading. So all you need to do is to click on the APK file over here. So it's only for Android users. iOS is not available right now, so it's only available on Android. So I always tell you guys, and if you want to be mining all this stuff most of the time, you should do more for Android. You need to get an Android phone, because most of the mining applications don't work on iPhone. So you need to get an Android phone. So this is where you're going to download. You click on it and you are going to download. I've already downloaded mine. I'm just going to install it right here. So after you download the application, let me check it out over here. Okay, so after downloading, you have to install it. So let me install. Okay, now install. All right, let's do this. Okay. All right, so now in order for you to install, you're going to see this notification on your screen also. So just click on this more details arrow that is pointing down over here. Just click on it. Okay, then you click on install anyway. So you click on, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, just click here over here, click on it, then it's gonna install it anyway. All right, so it's just wait for this to finish the installation and we are going to open the application and take our normal steps to activating the mining. All right, it's done. So let's just click on open. Yeah, we got Cow Network installed on our phone already. Now our app is installed. All we need to do now is to put in the details we used in registering an account earlier on. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Just going to put in my details quickly and we log in. So I'm just going to log in right here right now. Okay, Sussex. All right, good to go. Now I can see this is going to be a very easy app to use, because already on the interface, once we log in, you can see the start button over here that says start. So I think that is what we are going to be clicking to start mining instantly. So let's quickly do that before we can check other section of the application. So you click on start. All right, Okay, now we are good to go. Mining is every 24 hours, once in every 24 hours. So you have to take note of that and come back in here every 24 hours. Then you are going to click on that button to activate your mining. So in order for you to increase your earnings, you need to also invite more friends into this platform, so that you can also increase your mining power. That is a common thing. Okay, so don't forget, you have to also follow them on Twitter. This is also something you need to do. Over here you can see what is here with you need to check every checklist over here in order for you to, I think, also increase your mining power. So you need to follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram channel, join WhatsApp group, and also invite three friends that are going to be active, so these things are things you need to check in order for you to also increase some of your mining speed. So obviously the app is very easy to use and doesn't have much features on it, but anyway, once you are in it, I think this is still the white paper over here. All right, good. The white paper is also available in the application. You can take your time to check it out and read and understand how it is. Now here is the tokenomics that I was talking about. So the tokenomics is over here. I think the total supply of this coin is 5 billion. Yeah, I think it's 5 billion, because they are giving 2.4 billion to the community. That's what we're going to be mining. 2.4 billion is going to be mined in the community. Then 100 million user community welfare airdrop. Okay, 100 million is going for the Echo Fund, and generated by pledging. Okay, and 2.5 billion also is going to be generated through staking. That's what they mean by pledging mine coin. So once we finish mining the 2.4 billion, we will need to stake in order to generate the extra 2.5 million. So 2.5 billion. So that is just the tokenomics, how it's going to be going and how everything will be. So I think this is also going to be a feature that will be coming up later on the project over here. I think they will be having a wallet and so on. So guys, you need to take your time to go through the app also and understand what everything is going to be, how it's going to be, how the project is going to be proceeding and all that. So that is just the simple steps you need to know. And definitely this is where we are going to be getting our invitation code, our referral link, if you want to get it. So you just have to click on, I think, click on invite, then you'll be able to get your link, copy your link and share with your friends, your loved ones, those you want them to also participate in this project and also accumulate some of the cow token for now. All right, so that is the simple steps you need to take in this project, in this app, in order for you to activate your mining. So guys, I will definitely be bringing you guys more updates for this application, as long as you stick with me on this channel. So that's why I would tell you guys to just subscribe right now to my channel. Subscribe, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell sign. And also, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, so that other people that are also looking for stuff like this the YouTube algorithm will also send this video to them, so that they can also watch and join us on this project. All right, guys, before I leave, I will say congratulations to you guys that mined ICE network. ICE was launched today, listed on OKX, and we are already trading today. Currently trading at the price of 0.016. So guys, that's all. Anyway, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.